Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to Ants Fantasy Gaming. This will be May Patreon 2025 Part 7. We're not going to be looking at Patreon, we'll be looking at My Mini Factory and their tribes. And all the link for that will be down below. We'll be looking at D&D, Warhammer proxies, and figures. If you enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord, and let's get into it. So we got Berserk, and let's see here. For this month, we got more of a Tyranid looking thing. I know that this one is a lurker. I think you could proxy some of these for Tyranids or for Slaanesh as well. Cult of the Elden God, as in the Far Realm, for D&D terms for it, but it is a very good model. It also comes with a free model of 2B and her. And they do a lot of, they also got nude too if you want that as well. Here's the full picture of what you're going to get. These look a little bit gnarly than these girls. But yeah, that looks actually kind of cool in many ways. Let's get that. Bah, Bahab Bomb. This is a figure one. Big boobs lewd. I believe this is for this month. For it. Let's see here. Chubby Maid X3, Chubby Sorcerer X3. So we can get. I want the maid. Yeah. Okay. Goblin King, Goblin Rider, and Zelda. I want Zelda. Everyone voted for Zelda. And we got these ones as well. So a lot of cool stuff for it. Let's see here. Next one is War Machine. This probably more help a lot of people alley for proxies. Let me see if we can get a bigger picture of it. Looks like we got a lot of. Let me try and see. I know there's a lot of Dark Eldars for it, but so we got some shooters. I can't really see what they really are, but we got, I forgot what these things are called. Get a terrain piece as well, but you can go check them out if you guys into like Warhammer. Fun Service STL. They do figures, just like this one. They do a lot of big ones too. That Tiefling maid looks hot. Poor girl getting tied and used as a chair. This one I already printed that I am going to be hopefully able to paint sooner than later, but we'll see how that goes because this is the first time actually airbrushing something like this, and seeing how that will go a long way. Print your monsters for $2 a pack series. You get your Age of Sigmar proxies for your thing. They do a lot of stuff. This is their welcome pack. They used to do a lot of monsters. I'm happy they're going back to it. So yeah, some of these are old ones. I got all three of them, but take the June package. But yeah, I'm happy they're back. They was using terrains, and I'm like, I really don't want the terrains. God's Minis, another STL, but you also can actually get the proxies for the Sisters of Battles. We got some Goblin Girls for it. A Fox Girl, a Rogue. You can use that for your Battle Sisters of Battle proxies if you want. They do a lot. They have a lot of Sisters of Battles for this month for it. May release. Check them out. Labyrinth model. This one is mostly for D&D. You might find some proxies for your Old War Age of Sigmar for it. Hopefully they have a bigger one. Wow, she's hot. Yes, I am a pervert. Wife married me still. I'm happy. There you go. Bigger one. So we got like King Arthur, probably Guinevere, probably Merlin, and the Knights. So yeah. Quest Wagon, they do Warhammer. Today release was the, forget what these things are called, but I can use this for my Space Marines. Know that for a fact. Yeah, they do a lot of stuff. We got some Necrons proxies right here as well. Yeah, check them out if you're interested. I don't know. Moonlight Tribe. There we go. This is May. Oh, we're getting Princess Bride. The Giants. Hopefully they got more characters of the Princess Bride in here. But yeah, Moonlight Minis. This one is the Brided Brotherhood. So I'm guessing they're mixed of D&D stuff and Princess Bride. It's actually a good movie. I actually never watched it until recently. I showed it to her last year. RN Studio. This is not the one on Patreon. The tribes are different. You get other models as well. This is mostly for like D&D stuff. So you got more of the Oriental vibe from Japan. This is probably the Blind Samurai for it. Flesh of God. This was another good proxy. This is mostly for like Zinch's army, if you're interested in that, or use this for D&D. You got the Wendigo and a whole bunch of stuff. Darkness. You probably could use this one for Night Haunt. I still need to finish building my Night Haunt army too. Prima collectible. This one is basically like D&D. Yeah, so they're doing not Legacy of Blood. They're doing Castlevania. A lot of stuff they're doing is from Castlevania that I saw so far. You know, Dracula, freaking Belmont. You got two Belmont brothers and stuff like that. If you're interested. Next one is Mags Gak. This one is also Warhammer Proxy. They do mostly Nurgles. This one, Tribe Release. We got Death Strauss Miniature, the Tank Boys Hunt Mobs, and the Dreadmerc and stuff. They're still working on it. Looks like it. So we're gonna get a lot of like orcs and stuff. Like this tank for the Nurgle one looks freaking awesome, and I wanna build it. UNG. This one's another. This is Bloodborne. So we got a halfling Muchaloris for Bloodborne. That's gonna be kind of fun to paint too. Gota Miniatures. This one is mostly for D&D. It looks like Grim Dark for it. I'm probably gonna print some stuff for it for October videos for Halloween. Mad Minis. This was another. This is like more of a cyberpunkish thing. Reason why I like this is, you know, this was April's. Big thighs, boobs, stuff like that. But they got mechs and stuff. But, you know, I'm going to print some of these stuff for, like, if I do an actual cyberpunk type of game. Eight Leg Venture. This was also Warhammer Proxies. You got the big tank for the Imperials. You know, you got a lot of Imperials coming out this month. Made new release. Helmets. Dreadnoughts to make it more flashy. I think this is Chaos and stuff like that. Studio Union. This one is also figures. April reward, but you know you usually don't show anything towards the end. But you also could probably use this for your proxies for your game as well. Like these one for the Dreadnoughts for the Chaos faction. Castrol 3D. They do figures. For this month, we got the Barb Girl from Baldur's Gate 3. Also comes nude as well, just letting you guys know. Yeah, I think May and see, and then we've got June coming up for it soon. See how that works. NXL Minis. This one's also what you call figures. These are the ones you're gonna get hopefully this month. Then they're doing cross platform for that one. I think that's made by other ones as well. Oh, you got the Elven Leia. Oh yeah. Ash is gonna hate me. Comet Lord Miniature. This is also what you call it, D&D stuff. This one you probably use for Zinch proxies, and you got a whole bunch of armored females and armored males with pistols, with a flintlock pistol. Probably good for D&D. See here, Maja Forge. This is terrain pieces. This is last month's terrain. I'm actually going to try print some of these on my filament printer and see how it looks for it, especially these big ones, because I have a lot of terrain pieces, I just don't have a lot of buildings, and I don't want to make the buildings out of foam. You know, I don't have that much time. A lot of my friends do it, but I just don't have that time. I see monthly hero, elf fighter, monthly party. Oh, we got Lord of the Ring. Probably a good one for proxy for your Lord of the Ring game, war games, for an initial welcome pack as well. Artificer Mini and Hard Witch. This is another D&D ones. Probably find some proxies for it. As you know, probably why I like it. I do want to print some of these demons. But anyhow, that'll be it. Hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. Thank you guys very much. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye.